Hey everybody, it's Chad here from CNR Reviews. We're going to do a real quick video, and actually this is the last video for the Mini-14. We'll talk about that later. Anyways, this is a comparison for the Mini-14 from Ruger versus the Saiga 223. We wanted to basically just go over what you get from the factory, some weight differences, and then size differences and size comparison of the two. Both these guns are outfitted right now with 30 round mags. They do not come with 30 round mags from the factory. The Ruger comes with a 20 rounder. And the Saiga comes with a 10 rounder. They are both wearing grip pods, and no, those do not come from the factory either. So as far as weight goes, the Mini is 7 1/4 pounds from the factory, and the Saiga is 8.3 pounds. Now this Saiga in particular has got some aftermarket parts on it, so this guy's probably closer to 9 pounds as of right now. It's got a different fore-end, different pistol grip, buttstock combo, so it's probably closer to 9 pounds. As far as just basic differences, they both have different types of sights. Ryan's sight on his Saiga is actually adjustable for distances, but I would have to say it's a more inaccurate sight than what the Mini has. The Mini actually has an iron sight. I believe it is adjustable. You can, it's got just a simple screw and the sight moves. Either one of these guns is going to be fine, probably up to 200 to 300 yards as far as hitting a human target. But this guy's, you're going to give you further, the farther out you go, it's going to give you a little bit more issues. So just be aware of that. As far as other differences from the factory, this guy comes with a flash suppressor. It is a much needed item on the Saiga 223.
Yeah, this thing shoots fireballs, as you guys have seen through a few of the videos.
Sure, and also the concussion from that gun, if you're standing anywhere near it, it's a lot more than what the Mini-14 puts off. Other than that, they're both great weapons. These are based upon weapons that are tried and true, reliable rifles. Mini-14 is based upon the M14 M1A action, and then you have the Saiga 223 is actually based upon the AK-74/AK-47 action. So they're both extremely reliable. You can run them dry, you can run them dirty. It does not matter. These guns are going to function great. So let's go ahead and let's compare sizes. I'm going to hold these up. Ryan's going to go ahead and show you guys.
I know, I always like to compare sizes.
These are both sitting on a butt pad, and that way you guys can actually get a really good idea. You got that, Ryan?
Sure.
And there you go. The Saiga is about 3/4 of an inch to an inch bigger than the Mini-14.
Now, one thing you guys have to realize is this is an unconverted Saiga 223.
Sure.
That means that the handle is back from the receiver. It's actually attached to the stock, because this rifle comes from the factory with a Monte Carlo stock, more of a hunting carbine stock, and the Mini-14 is directly underneath the receiver. Over here, it's actually attached to the body of the gun. So if the Saiga was converted, that would move it down to be just about equal with the Mini.
So there you guys go. So we've done a weight comparison, we've done the size comparison, and we've done from the factory comparison. So either one of these weapons, you guys want them, they are great guns. The Mini-14 is actually not going to be with us any longer. I'm actually selling it. And what's taking its place is a Bushmaster M4A3. We're going to shoot for a little while and see how that goes. And then we may actually eventually maybe go into a SCAR and see how that is compared. So just giving you guys a heads up. Thanks again, guys, for watching. This is Chad and Ryan from CNR Reviews. Have a good night.